Hi, welcome to this series of tutorial on Jira. In the project menu, select Roadmaps. The roadmap is where you can create, manage, and visualize your team's epics. Roadmaps are useful for planning large pieces of work several months in advance and planning large groups of tasks across different sprints. Roadmaps are only available in next-gen Jira software projects and they aren't available in classic projects. An epic is a large body of work that can be broken down into smaller tasks. Those tasks are stories or user stories that represent requirements or needs from the perspective of a user. Epics are typically completed over several sprints or over a long period of time. In online shopping project, we have epics like authentication epic, products epic, shopping cart epic, checkout epic. Let's add authentication epic. Hit the plus in the first column to create an epic. If your roadmap is empty, you can just start typing to create your first epic. Click on epic to view its details like issue key, epic title, add attachments like document, images, etc. Add child issues like user stories, tasks, etc. Link epic to other issues, epic current status, which can be to do, progress, done. Enter issue or epic description and click save. An assignee, the person to whom this has been assigned to. Label, which are usually used to group or filter or search for the issues. A start date is a date when you begin your work or a task, issue, or epic. A due date is an agreed time and date when the issue or task should be resolved. A priority, it's an importance of the issue or task in relation to others in the project. A reporter is a person who entered the issue into the system. Let's add remaining epics from an online shopping project document. You can change the details of each of these epics like description and assigning, labels, priority, start date, and due date. Hover on an epic to view its date range, drag its left and right edges to adjust the date range. Drag the edges of an epic bar to modify the start and due dates. You don't have to set start and due dates, but we recommend you to make a long-term planning easier. Color coding epics makes it easy to distinguish different streams of work. Change the color of an epic. Let's change color for remaining epics. You can share your roadmap with users as a link. To share the roadmap, select Share, enter the name, team, or email, add a message, then click on Send. You can share your roadmap with offline users by exporting it as an image. To export a roadmap to an image, select Export. Choose the timeline view, start date, and end date, then select Export. Your browser automatically downloads the image. To add issues from the board and backlog, navigate to your board or backlog. Click on Issue, select More, select Add Parent. Select a parent issue, which is an epic authentication. For this user story, click Done. Issues can only belong to one epic at a time. If an issue already belongs to an epic, the Add Parent option will be replaced by Change Parent. Let's assign their respective epic as parent issue for remaining user stories. To add issues to an epic from the roadmap, click an epic. In the Issue Detail panel, select Add a Child Issue. Click on Choose an existing issue. Search for an issue by its key or name. Select Searched Issue, then click Add. You can also create new issues directly from an epic. Click on Add Child Issue. Select Issue Type. Enter Issue Name. Click Create. Click on Newly Created User Story to view and add details like description and assigning, labels, priority, start date, due date, etc. You can expand each of the epics to view its child issues from epic panel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.